is like the brain of the Costa Brava, like a capital city of the fun. So that's why I came here.
We came here because we were there maybe like for 5 times. We think it's the most beautiful city.
The Costa Brava and the most energetic and the most for young people.
Yeah,
it's a good city. I think.
It's a good weather, of course, better than Denmark, and we like the food. All you can drink at the bar, that's great, and of course the nightlife.
Em fa gràcia el fet que Porta sempre intenta anar amb la màscara tapant la seva cara. Jo sí, jo he vingut perquè jo de petita venia molt per la platja i per al parc allà que es diu Nom, però he vingut especialment per al parc.
Il y a Fiji, il y a Tyrod, Suspect, All of Downs, il y en a plein.
A few songs of him, and I find him very nice. It's cool to hear him now.
Pues actúa Alan Walker en esta discoteca, Tropics, y bueno, yo tengo 13 años y no puedo entrar. Y bueno, me tendré que conformar viéndolo en imágenes.
This is a family vacation, but we saw the signs for Alan Walker and we had to go.
Siamo in vacanza per 6 giorni.
6 giorni. Abbiamo trovato l'occasione per venire a sentire Alan Walker.
Me gusta Lloret. Sono una fan di Lloret de Mar.
Me gusta Lloret de Mar!
Lloret de Mar makes me dance.
A noi piace Lloret de Mar! È unica.
We are fun already.